Hi guys, welcome back to Lisa's Food Addiction. In today's video, you guys, we are making this super easy and delicious Italian pasta salad. This right here, you guys, is the perfect side dish for a day on the grill. The weather here in Georgia has been super hot, so there's been a lot of grilling going on, and this right here is the perfect addition for any summertime meal. This Italian pasta salad is filled with fresh sweet tomatoes, Italian pepperoni, smoked bacon bits. We're using some tricolor rotini, and everything, y'all, will be tossed in a zesty Italian dressing. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the family. Welcome to all of my new subscribers, and let's get into the recipe, y'all. First thing we're going to do is get our pasta noodles cooking. So we are using tricolor rotini pasta. I've got some water boiling that is already salted, of course, and we're going to drop this pasta right into that boiling water, and we're going to let that cook until al dente. While that is cooking, y'all, we are going to grab our veggies. We're going to wash them and start dicing up our fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions for this pasta salad. The tomatoes are going to give this a nice sweet bite. The cucumbers will give us a nice crunch. And that red onion, baby, will give us a nice crisp onion flavor that will pair real good with that zesty Italian dressing. Next, you guys, we're going to grab the remainder of our ingredients. And yes, your girl has some items at store brand because, baby, groceries are high, okay? We are saving a coin. We're using some sharp cheddar, some pepperoni, and some cubed ham. We're also going to go in with some bacon bits. Go ahead and slice that pepperoni like so, and we're going to set that off to the side. Our pasta noodles are done, you guys. We got to cool this thing off because we don't want this pasta to overcook and the noodles be mushy, and then folks be talking about you saying you can't cook. Baby, that is not what we're trying to do, okay? So to prevent mushy noodles, we're going to dump this in a large baking dish like so. Let all that steam get off of there, and then we're going to stick this in the fridge, you guys, for a few minutes and let it cool completely, okay? Our pasta has cooled. We're going to grab a good old tinfoil pan here to mix our pasta salad in. I told you guys this is super easy and super delicious. So we're going to add our cooked and cooled pasta into our tinfoil pan. To that, we're going to go in with our diced cucumber, our diced tomatoes, and our red onions. Give that a quick mix, and we're going to add in that sliced pepperoni. You can also freestyle, you guys, with some of the ingredients. This is just my preference. You could add in banana peppers, black olives, grilled chicken breast. Fresh cut broccoli would be very good in this as well. We're adding in our ham cubes as well, along with our bacon bits and our sharp cheddar cheese. We're going to mix all of the ingredients, and now it's time to add in our zesty Italian dressing. And that's right, you guys, this is store-bought Italian dressing. We are keeping it quick in the kitchen, y'all. And don't forget, all measurements and ingredients will be listed below in the description box. We have our Italian dressing in. Next, we're going to add in some white vinegar for a nice little pop, y'all. This is the secret to a good bomb Italian pasta salad. It really wakes everything up. White vinegar is in, and now it's time to season this thing, baby. I have some Italian seasoning, garlic and onion powder, some oregano. We're also going to hit this with a little bit of sugar just to balance out all of that acidity from the dressing, the tomatoes, and the vinegar. Last step, you guys, but definitely not the least, okay? Taste, y'all. Taste your food. We're going to add in any additional seasonings you may need to make sure this Italian pasta salad is the bomb, honey. We're going to finish this off with some greenery, just a little bit of parsley flakes for color, and voila, you guys, just like that, this Italian pasta salad is done. You can eat this directly or place it in the fridge until you are ready to serve. Super quick and easy recipe, and of course, always delicious. You can serve this with any type of grilled meat. You can also serve this with flavored chicken wings, fried chicken wings, or my personal favorite, which is my recipe for baby shower barbecue meatballs. Definitely go ahead and check out my last video for that recipe. These two pair together perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you give this recipe a try. Don't forget, if you want to cook with us, it's easy. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to join our foodie family. Don't forget to like this video so that I know you're here and that you're watching. Leave me a comment down below and share this recipe with your family and friends. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, y'all.